Like we have seen in our last video, there are different question types. And today we are learning how to solve those different question types in a passage here. Today we will be covering two different question types. Understand them properly. Observe the way I am trying to solve and giving you the hints. Try to execute them whenever you are doing those particular type of questions. So here we begin. First thing first, understand the title as it connects you to the 800 to 1000 words passage. The title reads Educational and Professional Opportunities for Women in New Technologies. The passage is going to describe how women are finding their educational options and professional options in the new era of technology. Very well. After understanding this, scroll the page down and go to the set of questions which are given for you to answer. So here we see, we have list of people, list of people. Like in the video class also I have explained you. This tend to be the most easiest question, the most time saving questions. You need not to shuffle the whole paragraph to locate where the lines are. Locating the lines for this particular question types is again very easy. What you do next? You see the following set of questions which you have to answer. So here we have complete the sentences. Just like again in the video class I have explained to you, never call them fill in the blanks because they are not the fill in the blanks questions. We have diagram completion, table completion, notes completion and so on, many more to say. Among them, this is complete the sentences, which is again the most easiest one among the rest we have just listened to. Easy and scoring because the language is very easy. The answers are in order. The language of synonyms is very easy also. So let's start. Fine. So first we answer the list of people. What is the step here? Read all the given 1 to 8 questions properly. You need not to pinpoint and understand the names or pronounce them. You can just go through them, have a glance, understand the capital letters, and then quickly go through the passage and try to locate them. So it is 1 to 3 to the left hand side and 4 to 8 to the right hand side of the page. Okay, here we scroll the page to the top again and try to locate them. What am I doing, children? I am just trying to see where that capital letter appears. I see here the information and communication technologies, which is ICTs, but this is not I am looking for. So I scroll the page to the bottom again and I find at the end, which is Rothschild 1982 given in brackets. So I understand that whenever there is a name, there is a year also probably, and it is in a bracket form. With this, I try to locate the following paragraph and here immediately I find it. I highlight it. Go to the next part of the paragraph, which is in continuation here, and I find Woodfield here, highlighting them. Isn't it like a game? So good, no? Right. Hope you get this type of questions in your main paper. Turkle in the following paragraph. Similarly, just looking for the capital letters and years and scrolling the page to the bottom. Fine, I don't find anything here. I go to the left hand side of the page and here I find Economics in 2002. But I don't have the name Economics. Economics is a newspaper in foreign. So here is the name which is Angrist. I highlight it. I look for the other name which is in the following paragraph, highlighting it. If it is a hard copy, what do? You mark it. Scrolling the page. Yes, here we have so and so person says. but we don't have the year. So probably we have it in the continuation. Yes, here it is in the bracket again at the end. Continuation, we have 2002 for shade. Similarly, 1997, Kirkup and Prumla. Scrolling the page a little lower, we have 2002. And who is this? This is the person Lee. Fine. Locations are done. What do you do now? Either you go to the concerned person, read the relevant lines, and then match the options. But I like to read the options first and then match to the concerned person. So here I start reading the statements which are list the reported findings. Don't be in a hurry. You have ample time. All you have to do is clearly paraphrase them, clearly understand what every sentence states. So the first one, men and women perceive their environment differently. Perceive is to understand. What are these people doing? Both the genders understand their environment in a different way. That means there is no similarity. Option B, the advantages of ICTs. What is ICTs? We have just read in the first paragraph of the passage, which is information and communication technologies. So it says the advantages of ICTs in schools are different to pacify. Pacify is to understand or to relate. Fine. Highlighting the words again, men and women perceive their environment in a different manner. Then it is the advantages of ICTs in schools are different to pacify, that is difficult to understand. C option says men see ICTs as an exciting area of employment. What are these people doing? They are observing ICTs as an exciting area. Who are they? They are men, not the women. Then it is female students find working on their own unappealing. Unappealing is not happy, that is unhappy. When women are told to work on their own, they find it very unhappy. So, highlighting the words female working on their own, feeling unhappy. The next one, option E. The greater female representation in scientific and technical posts would have enormous benefits. It speaks about the female who are in larger measure. They are working in scientific and technical posts and they are getting numerous benefits. Option F now, which says women can be seen as both passive and active users. So they are the direct users and indirect users of ICTs. Passive is not direct. Option G, female students can benefit most from ICTs and distant learning. Female students only, not the men. And what are they doing? They are getting the best advantage from ICT and also from distant learning. So highlighting the words again. Option F. In higher education, men use a wider range of ICT skills than women. What is happening? There is a comparison being done saying that men are the extreme users. Option I. A considerable number of women give up ICT posts to work in different fields. Give up means to leave. What are they doing? They are leaving the information and communication technology related posts in order to work in other areas. The J option. The way the two genders regard computers reflects the differences in the way they develop their sense of self. The way they are interacting with computers, the way they are working with computers. It shows their personality. So their personality becomes their major way of working with computers. The last one now. Certain new employment sectors are soon colonized by workers of single sex. There are some employment areas, it seems, and they are colonized by. That means they are dominated by or they are taken by whom? Only one sex. That can be either male or female. What we have done so far, we have understood all the given statements. Now we go to the concerned person, that is paragraph A, and instead of reading the full paragraph, it is only that one line that you have to read. So reminder again, when you do list of people or any similar question like this, read only the concerned line in the passage, not the full paragraph. So because this is the last part, I am looking where the sentence has started. So this is the area where the sentence has started. Do I need to read the full? No. When we have the verbs like argued, said, discussed, from there we have to start reading because this is the line where the main information lies. That's all. See, you have already narrowed down to single line, and that from single line you have again narrowed down to a single phrase. This is what you have to read when you are doing this type of questions. Isn't it time saving? Yes. Sometimes only these one single sentence may extend to 2 or 3 sentences. There will be never a full paragraph where you have to read. So now we understand and see that which option is matching to what. So here it says, if more women are engineers, engineers means it is speaking about technology. And then it says, and scientists, that means it is speaking about the laboratory, the science work. We might live in a very different world. More women is speaking about the large number of women. Yes, we got our option, and there we go. It is option number E, which is scientific and technical post. Paragraph A with option number E. Now, we try to match the one with option number E. So this is the way we do. The best part for this type of questions, again I repeat, we don't read the full paragraph, we narrow down to one line, and maybe we further narrow down to a single phrase. Okay, I will come up with the continuation video of this soon.